Hey guys, Abner and Randy here. Welcome out to the range. Today I've got a video for you that I've done before, but every once in a while I pull this subject matter out. And basically it's tracking a target, tracking a subject. You've got a person here at gunpoint and you're issuing a command, and the person decides to move on you. If you're here, or here with the handgun, if you're here with that person and you're actually watching through the reticle, there is a potential, mind you, that person could end up skipping on you in this direction. You want to be issuing commands here, not here. And the reason for that is, if you've got a person, first of all, this is too close. The reason I'm here is for the sake of the camera, for the audio, because the wind is blowing pretty hard. I would want to be easily another 15 to 20 feet back. But if I'm issuing commands to this person here, and I'm pointing at them, whether it be with a PDW, or with a handgun, or with a rifle or whatever, if I'm pointing right at them and watching them through the reticle, if this person suddenly decides to duck and jink on me, I could accidentally end up shooting right where he was versus where he's going. I've got this guy, stop! And I've got him right here. I am right now aiming to what is the equivalent of about his belt line. You'll notice my trigger finger is high on the slide. I'm watching this guy. And if he chooses to move on me, instead of shooting where he was, I end up tracking where he's going to, and I can hit him. You know, it always seems you run out of ammo every time you're making a great point. So once again, if I'm issuing a command, and I've got this guy where I want him, stop approaching, turn away from me, do it now, turn away from me, do it now. If he decides to try to move and shoot, I can automatically track where he's going versus where he was. That's why this technique is often taught, because here I can still see my front sight post with my lead eye, which is my left eye, and from here, if the subject were to move, I could then track where he's going versus doing this and then he moves on me. In fact, it's actually more accentuated with the handgun, because with a handgun you're having to deal with doing this and the guy ends up moving on you. In fact, I'm gonna move just slightly off the target. The guy ends up moving on you, you shoot, you miss, and then you have to track where he went to just to hit him. So it makes more sense to always be issuing commands at the low ready. Not to mention, if I'm aiming at a person with a weapon, whether it be a rifle, whether it be a PDW, whether it be a handgun, if I am aiming at a person, I'm essentially missing all the lower body. So basically, if I'm looking at a person across a weapon, I'm essentially missing a lot of what I need to be paying attention to, which is going to be hands. Because not everybody does this to you. People who know what they're doing are going to be doing this to you, because they know they need their arms for the motion. So something to think about. Once again, when issuing commands, be sure that you're ready to shoot where they're going to versus where they are. If you guys have any questions or comments, leave them below. I'll do my best to answer them. As always, I thank you guys for watching. God bless you all. Get those guns out in practice. Have a good one.